Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to disable on iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Always on display. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. If you have a setting called Always on Display activated on your iPhone, this means that your iPhone dims a little bit. It's not as bright. But at night when you're sleeping, it can be annoying. Then, in order to activate it and turn it off, we have to go to Settings on our iPhone. Then we go down to the bottom. We find the display. Then we go down to the bottom. Here we click on Always on Display. Here we can make it so that we can just, let's say when we turn off the phone we have a black screen. If you don't want it to be like that, you can just click on the bottom to turn it off. And now when you turn the phone off, it goes completely black and you don't have anything. That's how easy it is to turn off Always on Display on your iPhones. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, everybody.